Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital. Today I'm demonstrating system of timers. It's a master secondary system. These are two DC-80T-DN-Ws. They're indoor brilliants, wirelessly linked. The master is on the left and the secondary is on the right. The master has dual input, so it's a wired and wireless input. The wired input is for the local operator. It's got a 25-foot cord on it. It's a NEMA enclosure. These are environmentally sealed set switches. And the wireless 900 megahertz controller, tactile feel switches, and a polycarbonate enclosure. And both are redundant of each other. Both switches are redundant. Operations, controls, whatnot. They also have a two-tone, a horn attached to them, wired in. They wanted a warning time and also end of period indication. And the warning time is going to be adjustable per the user. And it can be all the way up to 99 minutes and 59 seconds. The displays themselves can count down minutes and seconds also from 99 to 59 on down to 0. They also wanted overage time, so once it gets to 0, they want it to continue to count up. So what's going to happen is once it reaches 0, it's going to blow the horn for 3 seconds, and then it's going to flash and also start counting up all at the same time. They also wanted a data link, so to the right of the master you see a yellow cord as an Ethernet connection for data to be sent out. Once it gets into overage time, they want to see the every second be sent out the IP port to an IP setting of some sort, an IP location. Before then, they just wanted a data to be sent out if it gets reset. So before I should say overage time. To set it, I'm going to go ahead and set the warning. So I'm going to set the warning. It's right now it's set for 10 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and 0 it. So I'm going to push 0. And I'm going to go ahead and hit seconds. And I'm going to stop it. Oop. There we go. At 18, hit warning again. Set warning. And then I'm going to set we're going to set the seconds. I'm going to go ahead and push seconds. And I believe 20 would be fine because that's over the time that we had set for our warning. Okay, go ahead and start it. I'm just demonstrating that the controls are redundant. So once it gets to, you hear the relay, the horn should be blowing for 3 seconds. That gives you your warning. It would be a siren, I believe. And at the end of period, it's just a steady tone. And you'll hear another relay, and then you'll see the overage time. So there's another relay that kicked in with a 3-second horn. And as you can see, it's flashing and starting to count back up. At this time, data would be continuously being sent every second to your IP address. So I'm going to go ahead and stop that. So once I press stop, it will reset back to the preset last value time, which was 20 seconds, and ready for your next cycle. 8-inch high LEDs can be viewed up to 400 feet away, all extruded aluminum enclosure mounted with adjustable keyhole tabs on the back, 900 megahertz radios, good to be range of 1500 feet. Also 1500 feet for your wireless controller to your master. And I'm going to pause it and get Ben